Hi, and welcome to today's episode of Support Spotlight. I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to show you how to copy clone your listing within Paragon Connect. So, when you're in your profile, you're going to want to click on the hamburger menu. You're going to go down to Listings, click on Listings, Published Listings. Now, this only works if you were the listing agent. Just keep that in mind. And then you're going to go down to the listing that you want, click on this three dots, and then Copy Listing. It's going to ask you if you want to send over your documents and your photos. You're going to want to press continue, and it will save this listing as an unpublished partial listing. And from here, you can go ahead and go in and change anything that you want to change. And you'll see that it'll tell you over here on the left-hand side how many more required fields you have to fill out, and all of the fields that you can fill out, how many you have left to go through. It will also give you a little red flag as the errors to fix. But if you want to save a listing as a partial, the status will never save. Keep that in mind as well. And then when you go to save, you can save it as a published listing or an unpublished listing here. Try it out for yourself.